Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming power and physical connections. Turn the headset on or plug it in, then inspect the cable and connectors for kinks or debris. Once done, make sure your computer or console recognizes the device and you set it as the default playback output. This prevents audio routing mistakes. Check both system and application volume sliders and mute states because software silence is a common culprit. If wired, wiggle the jack gently to test intermittent contacts. Next, you tackle software. Open Steelseries engine or GG and update firmware and drivers. This often restores lost audio pathways. If updates don't help, uninstall the audio driver, reboot, and let the OS reinstall it, because corrupted drivers commonly break sound. Make sure exclusive mode settings are disabled in the sound properties, as programs can lock the device. Once you've applied changes, test audio, and try the headset on a second PC or phone to determine whether it's a hardware failure versus a software issue. For final steps, perform the headset factory reset per Steelseries instructions. This clears device-level glitches. Replace cables or change from USB to 3.5 mm where possible because the adapter or sound card can be at fault. If still silent, test a different audio source and record behavior. LED states, pairing steps, and error messages, these details help support. Troubleshooting tip. If audio works on another device, replace the PC sound card or USB dongle. If not, request warranty repair or a hardware swap.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.